Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite your friends the Bybit application and earn commission. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on invite friends and earn commission. Here you should tap on invite friends down below. Here you can find this code via which you can invite your friends, or you can also use the QR code that you can find down below. If you want, you can also copy the link by tapping on the copy link button. You can save the poster and send it to your friends so that they can scan the QR code and join Bybit, so that you are going to receive your commission. If you want, you can also use this Telegram button so you can send this invitation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.